Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show how to block and unblock someone on TikTok. So, let's get started. If you want to block someone on TikTok, go to the person's profile and tap the share icon in the top right corner. Tap block and follow the steps in the app. If you've changed your mind and want to unblock someone, here's how. First, open your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. A menu will appear at the bottom of the screen. Select Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Privacy, then scroll down and find Blocked Accounts. Tap on it, and the blocked accounts will appear. Tap on Unblock. That's it. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Your comments and feedback are incredibly important to us, so please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching.